IQ Drive is the motor for highest performance and minimum noise, for the most efficient and convenient laundry care. According to the load volume, the power needed to rotate the drum varies. At the same time, the spin speed of the chosen program must be stabilized. The torque sensor measures how much power is needed in the current cycle and continually sends this information to the iSensoric control unit. Throughout the entire washing process, the system consistently adapts the power supply for the motor so that the spin speed can be kept constant. In case unbalances might occur, the 3G sensor detects uneven movements of the drum. The system then immediately countersteers so that the textiles are once more distributed evenly in the drum. The IQ Drive is a brushless motor that operates without conventional charcoal brushes. As there is no unnecessary friction or wearing of material, the motor is outstandingly efficient, extremely long-lasting, and almost noiseless. The IQ Drive comes with a 10-year motor warranty for the most efficient and effective laundry care. IQ Drive, powered by iSensoric.